Where am I? Where are you? Aduh, apa? Tradis place tiga suatu.
Rainbow Gate.
Alak cinta kayak apa sih ngonak misi di kusum meringa timun now. Sudah damak kisu sa kumeng ida misi di kusuin nak pa YouTube kono takut cian nak so damak kisu takut niko ngita asiriak tanah takut niko wara. Ano si kumas nak misi di tagaya kakpaka. What?
Dear Mr. Miller, my name is Sarah Johnson, and I would like to hire you to investigate the disappearance of my brother, Michael Johnson, who vanished without a trace 2 weeks ago. Although the police are currently investigating, I feel they may be overlooking some details. The current information suggests a possible connection to Rainbow Gate, an abandoned amusement park. I fear that Michael's disappearance may be linked to this location. I am aware of your reputation and ability as a detective and hope you will consider taking on this case. You are my last hope of finding the truth. I have attached a photograph and personal information regarding Michael with this letter. Sincerely, Sarah Johnson. I decided to travel to Rainbow Gate to investigate the truth behind the disappearance.
Stawin mo cita at waktaya. Ano ko masanak po?
So this is it. Rainbow Gate. Looks even worse than the photos.
Ano ko masanak po misi di tagaya kakpa. Kiwasakang na susukas sa naksoklon na dawa. Wow! Wow! Taman yakli. Ising-isa. Ano ko masanak po kas. Yung video pa kasi makparabis. Daban o. Anong ba ito? Piso kastes yun. Dava. Matunukuchi mushashashu. Marunimi kuponina.
Wait, what's this? Glasses?
So, hindi pinaksote na makisok ka kunuan ng doso. Susukak si masunok. Hello? May balahong? Where are you?
What's hidden at the end of the rainbow?
What the hell is going on?
Wow. Isusuparak tuwa to siya katabi.
Where am I? What happened?
Ah. Ah. 저들 막 보이시 슈퍼루락소니야. Si, damdo iskawakipok. Ni pa nga nakakaray nga kano sa nakso. Iya. Ano yan? Okay.
Hello, I am Mr. Rainbow. Welcome to Rainbow Gate, a wonderland you will never forget. You have been chosen to join our little game. The rules are simple. Just collect all 7 rainbow coins, and then we'll meet at the end of the rainbow. Good luck. Oh, almost forgot something. We've installed a special device on your head. It will record your wonderful adventures, and it'll even help with your vision, you know? Pretty neat. And just a little heads up, you really shouldn't try to take it off, because if you do, a special mechanism will kick in, and your head will end up like a smoothie. Bye!
ఇది waltz. Password. Oh. Turn up. 다방어. 됐나? 와우, zoom. Apa itu tidak? Jangan tu akar. Ay. Kaya pisya ka. Okay. Sakit. Haba. Naksinakto ko. Vidiriya ka na ako'y kumasanak po. Daba. Why not? Dari matok ka. Nope. Where am I? Where are you? Ay! Satanak! Asa wag... Sure, speed din na diba? Susukang niyang.
This.
Ako siya na ada ko yun.
Damn it!
Thank you! May sakit po. Tapos ako yung patch. Ano na siya na? Oh,
you're late. The party ended a long time ago.
So what? Begin the game. Urashimasu. Missing is a section the rest. Wadak tanak. Astak siyo sa ang nito. Yaktatasok ka ng topo, no? I'm gonna end the mood. I'll sing it up. Naksin shoot. Kastas yamin nak. Sunod na mawing kikok dyan. Nakambaksin ng kyan.
Run quickly! The moon is full, and the wolf is about to hunt. Don't worry, the two little rabbit siblings, Chippy and Choppa, will help guide you. But be careful! Choppa is a liar. If you're ready, press the button to start the game.
What the hell is this?
Siapa? Siapa sa totoo yun? Ano na?
Run quickly! The moon is full, and the wolf is about to hunt. Don't worry, the two little rabbit siblings, Chippy and Choppa, will help guide you. But be careful! Choppa is a liar. If you're ready, press the button to start the game.
Siapa sa totoo yun? Ida? Siapa? Siapa rin
Run
pinalo?
quickly! The moon...
Tama po na inumoksin mo. Chippy.
Hello, my little prey. No matter where you run, be it left or right, survive or die, your end is never far from my claws. Alright, time to run, you cowardly lamb. I will catch you and tear you in pieces, then I'll eat you, and then I'll shoot you out first on mine.
Ten!
Prey.
I'm a liar, son of a bitch! Fuck!
Little prey.
What's up? Come on, I'm dead.
Game over. Mine.
Game over. No, takko siyang bibit. Kung ngay matukhan na iniyak sa kasyo nga.
Or die. Time to run.
That goes?
Prey.
Fuck!
Secrets of the Lord Prey. Mine.
Thank you. Naluwan na unang.
I hunt. You are hunted.
Hey. Paano ko rin yung masasanak po kasi?
Alright, time to run, you coward. I hunt. You are hunted.
Fuck!
I hunt. You are hunted. I hunt. You are hunted.
mongo! Alay! Alam it!
The secrets of the forest are mine.
Again.
You are hunted.
Ang makisang wanda! Tunga! Tunga!
You are hunted.
Ayaw.
Bastard!
Are you hurt? Take this. It can help you.
Use it. Thank you. Sorry. Morning. What?
The scent of prey.
Hey!
You are hunted.
학닥도 시슈 저기. 왜? 눈 내뻐.
You are hunted.
Here we go again. Ay!
Prey.
Ako maksulsuts. Nakachika nga ta. Ayong niyayok ko.
Shit!
Prey.
Kasing rockos.
Shit! Shit. I'm not dead. I'm not dead, you hear me?
Hi there. My name is Yo-Yo. Nice to meet you.
Hello, Jennifer.
Fuck.
Wow. I thought you'd be wolf dinner for sure. Great job not getting lost and escaping. Here, take your rainbow coin as a reward.
Thank you.
Document a vision of joy. A turning point in Elias's life occurred at a national toy fair. His wind-up toys received tremendous attention from children and parents alike. Elias saw the sparkling eyes of the children, heard their laughter and joy, making him realize that what he created wasn't just toys, but tangible happiness. At that toy fair, Elias envisioned something bigger. He thought, if these small toys can bring so much joy to children, what if he created a place filled with toys and activities? How much happiness would that create? Elias decided to expand his business. From manufacturing wind-up toys to building a grand amusement park to invest in creating a kingdom of create happiness, where everyone could spend time together and create good memories.
Story mode. Nereye na spiller yok da. Ayun da.
Hello, little prey.
Holy hell. That was close.
Från vi. Rồi sao người ta sống ngon đấy.
Document Rainbow Gate, a world of fun you'll never forget. Rainbow Gate Toy Company was founded in 1975 by an inventor named Elias Blackwood, who was very passionate about mechanisms and machinery. He believed that toys were not just objects, but friends, memories that would stay with children for a lifetime. Elias started from a small factory, focusing on designing and producing wind-up toys with complex and amazing mechanisms. His attention to detail and creativity made Rainbow Gate quickly popular. Rainbow Gate toys were not just toys, but moving works of art. Later, in 1986, Rainbow Gate achieved great success with elaborate wind-up toys with complex mechanisms. Elias's toys became widely popular and became a precious gift that children dreamed of.
Dava. Chuta magkaroon ako. Dava, inni mo ira. Satan it! Number the cock.
Wow! Look who it is! Do you remember me? I'm Yo-Yo!
Đâu mình ngốc.
The poor victim! Who is the demon that did this? The killer must definitely be hiding in here. Hunt them down. Point out the killer with the red button. If you're sure, judge them with the green button.
Gotta be kidding me.
Ah.
Look at that guy's hand. He's holding a knife. I bet it's him for sure. The stuff in art department might help find the killer. Try asking the blue rabbit how to get into the room.
Blue rabbits.
I think it's probably blue. No, it has to be navy blue, and then red, and then yellow. No, it's red again, and then black.
Black.
I was just passing by.
Looking at it, it's possible that there might be more than one killer.
This has got to be a suicide.
The killer has to be around here somewhere. Everyone looks suspicious, except for me, of course.
I think he might have just lost consciousness.
The stuff in art department might help find the killer. Try asking the blue rabbit how to get into the room.
Ako'y naksunod sa akin. Mamaya jumpscare ngayon pa nga.
Document Let's Play Hide and Seek with the Mascot. Experience the thrill of our special event. Let's Play Hide and Seek with the Mascot. Your favorite mascot is waiting for everyone to join the ultimate game of hide and seek. Furniture is your best friend. Everything in the room can be a great hiding spot. Use chairs, tables, or shelves to block the mascot's view. Stay low, stay safe. Tiptoe like a quiet cat. The mascot looks from up high if you go low. You're hard to spot. Don't run unless you really have to. And hey, it helps save your energy to run later if you need to.
Tama. Nung naroon, Sino siya mas bigla umakpa, tama nga na niaktarak po kasi ko na sinas ng pisin laksaks mas sistema si Bay, to siyam tagus, bye bye!